Hello, my friends. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? It is club time, and I get to show you the Stamp and Die Hard Club sets this month. Now, if you're in the Stamp Club or the Die Hard Club, I just picture you sitting back, relaxing, putting your feet on the table, knowing it's automatically going to be sent to you in the mail. Now, if you're not in the Stamp or Die Hard Club, no, I'm just kidding. Guess what? You can sign up ASAP right now and get in on this set, because you know what? Club memberships start at only $13.99 a month, and that includes this stamp set and a new stamp set each month, and a 15% discount on our website and club points, and oh gosh, we'll talk about that another time. Anyway, are you ready? Get set. And you know what? This one is so freakishly cute. I love it. It is called Hermit Crabs. Now, Hermit Crabs are so cool because they change shells. And I just think that is amazing, right? If they want to move, they move. I love it. So here we go. We have three normal sized stamps. And then I gave you two little babies, because it's always fun to have the little icon to stamp on the back above your personalized stamp. And I wanted you to have it right now. So I added those two little guys in there. So we have Snappy Birthday, Congrats on Your New House, get it, because they change shells, Hello, Let's Hang Out, Time to Celebrate, I'm So Sorry I Was Crabby, that's funny, Just Shelling You, and then you can pick I'm Thinking of You, or I'm So Happy for You, or I Miss You. Now, club members, like I mentioned, Stamp Club, boom, you're getting this set sent to you automatically each month. Also with a handy dandy postcard, right? Gives you ideas, tells you where to go for the gallery to get even more awesome ideas. Now, did you know, by the way, that we have this gallery that has over 35,000 projects on it, all organized by item. So if you go to this item on our website, click the button on the right that says View Product Gallery, boom, it'll all pop up. It's all organized just like that. See, here's the deal. I used to be a teacher 100 years ago, right? And so I'm all about education. That's why we do so many online classes. That's why we have such an awesome gallery and an amazing design team. Just saying. Okay, anyway, Stamp Club, boom, you're getting this. Now, a lot of you that are new to Stamps of Life are saying, Stephanie, I love that stamp set, but there is no way in the world I'm getting my scissors out and trying to fussy cut that. You know what we call fussy cutting here? We call it fuzzy cutting, because it never looks good, right? Well, ding, ding, ding. Guess what, my friends? Yes, there is a die set that matches. So my Die Hard Club members are getting the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, we do something a little different at the Stamps of Life if you're new to us. I include the inside dies as well, because sometimes you want a shadow, so you'd use the shadow die. Sometimes you want just the inside cut out, so then you would use that die. So you're getting like double duty, which is really handy. So you're getting those for the big crabs, the hermit crabs, but then I'm giving you a little bit of seaweed, because why not, right? And some rocks, because hello, you know, extra goodies, why not? Now, don't tell anybody, because those are kind of like, I just threw those in there. They were going to be a totally different set, and you would have had to pay extra for them. And I'm like, you know what? They're small enough. I'm just going to sneak them in. So I did. So, okay. Boom, 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 boom. Stamps, dies. Die Hard Club, you're getting these, right? Now, let's look at our samples, because I love to brag about my design team. They're absolutely amazing. They have such good ideas. And one thing that I really love about all of these samples, look how cute that is. Look at and this is a sneak peek coming up. Next video, look how cute that is. I just want to show you all the different colors. Now, this one has that awesome beach A2 background, which looks fantastic with the crabs, right? There we go. And then, ooh, look at this one. This one's using the A2 rounded top corner, the A2 window. Look at that. Look how it pops up. See that? Now, wait a minute here, you guys. Look at this. So there just alone is 3 different color palettes, right? And then, ooh, how about on my 5x7 card with our dolphin folded? Look at that. Totally different again. And then look at this. Ooh, on an A1 card base. So fun. Let's open this up. Oh, our A1 box. Look at that. Let me show it to you again down here. Let me move all these now. We're having too much fun. So here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? A1. Dun, 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 dun. It has a box of shells. I absolutely love it. Isn't that so cute? So adorable. That's on our website, by the way. Now, oh, I'm saving that one for last because that's my favorite. Here we go. This is our bouncy card base. Look at this. Are you ready? Look at those two little guys talking. Clossom to see you're doing great. Oh, that is a sneak peek. Look at our little seaweed back there. Open that up. That's our water background. I'm sorry, a bubble background. Circle bubble background. Surely amazing. Now, this one's my favorite, so I saved this one for last. Are you ready? Get set. First of all, I hope by now you have our card front shakers. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, oh my goodness, you have to go search it on our website because look at this. It is the easiest shaker card you've ever made in your life, especially for those of you that don't want to make shakers because you're like, no, they're too much. Oh my goodness, you have to use these. They are fantastic. So easy peasy. Go check it out. But look at this. Oh my goodness. And look how glittery gorgeous she is. I absolutely love that one. Don't be crabby. It's your birthday. Time to celebrate. Seaweed in there. Do you see the seaweed? Okay, club members, come on. You know the deal. You need to go check out the other items that coordinate with this awesome stamp and die set. We have some we have a border die. We have some background dies. We have some amazing stuff I want you to go check out on our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're brand new to our channel, please make sure you click subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. You'll always want to be notified whenever we release a new video or when we go live. We go live 3 times a week. You got to go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.